This is Dickey from Hair Rules. Thank you all for your questions and your comments. There's a lot of them that come through, so we'll get to yours eventually. But again, we want to thank you for tuning in and your questions and comments. One, our goal is to kind of help you to know the rules so you can break the rules. All right? Hey y'all, question. What is the best way of cutting hair that shrinks? Meaning, I'm assuming kinky hair. Cutting hair is and should always be specific to the texture, right? So you have a lot of thoughts or we are working a very gimmick-driven industry, and everybody has their own ideal about how they should cut curly hair. But curly hair is one type of texture, and there's 1,000 textures in between kinky, curly, and wavy, right? So what we do at Hair Rules is we cut the hair based off of the texture. So the tighter the texture is, whether it's kinky or curly, we blow out the texture so that we can see the strands that need to be cut. And there's only two reasons we believe that there is to pick up scissors to cut the hair: to maintain the health of the hair and to give a great shape to when you can't cut what you can't see. So if you have a texture that has a lot of shrinkage, there's no way to cut it unless you blow it out. That doesn't mean heat styling or pressing the hair as much as it means just simply prepping the hair for you to be able to get a comb through it and to be able to cut a shape into it and know what it's going to also do when it dries for your curly hair. And there's no difference or reason to cut the hair for curly and also wear it straight, because most women want to be able to wear their hair curly and straight. So there's not two different haircuts. There's one haircut, and a skilled hairdresser should be able to cut your hair so you can wear it both curly and straight and also know how much it's going to shrink up. Those are skills, so I hope that helps.